Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP Open SQL overview. So Open SQL indicates the subset of ABAP statements that enable direct access to the data in the central database of the current AS ABAP. Open SQL statements map the data manipulation language functionality of SQL in ABAP that is supported by all database systems. The statements of OpenSQL are converted to database-specific SQL in the OpenSQL interface of the database interface. They are then transferred to the database system and executed. OpenSQL statements can be used to access database tables that are declared in the ABAP dictionary. The central database of AS ABAP is accessed by default, and also access to other databases is possible via secondary database connections. So whenever any of these statements are used in an ABAP program, it is important to check whether the action executed has been successful. If one tries to insert a record into a database and it is not inserted correctly, it is very essential to know that so that the appropriate action can be taken in the program. This can be done using a system field that has already been used, that is SAP. So when a statement is executed successfully, the SAP field will contain a value of 0. So this can be checked for, and one can continue with the program if it appears. The data statement is used to declare a work area, and let's give the name via WA_customers1. rather than declaring one data type for this. Several fields that make up the table can be declared, and the easiest way to do this is using the like statement. Insert statement. The WA_customer1 work area is declared here like the Z customers1 table, taking on the same structure without becoming a table itself. And this work area can only store one record, and once it has been declared, the insert statement can be used to insert the work area and the record it holds into the table, and the code will read as insert Z customer1 from WA_customer1. The work area has to be filled with some data and use the field names from Z customer1 table, and this can be done by forward navigation, double-clicking the table name in the code, or by opening a new session and using the transaction SC11. The fields of the table can then be copied and pasted into a web editor. So data W_customer1 like Z customer1, W_customer1 customer equal to 1006, W_customer name equal to Dave, and W_customer title equal to Mr. W_customer1.dob, then insert Z customer1 from W_customer1. Then check statement can then be used like it means that if the record is inserted correctly, the system will state this, and if not, then SAP code which will not equal 0 will be displayed. So the code snippet is: if SAP equal to 0, write record inserted successfully, else write return code is SAP, and if. Check the program, save and activate the code, and then test it. The output window should display record inserted successfully. Clear statement. So clear statement allows a field or variable to be cleared out of the insertion of new data in its place, allowing it to be reused. So clear statement is generally used in programs, and it allows existing fields to be used many times. So in the previous code snippet, the work area structure has been filled with the data to create a new record to be inserted into Z customer1 table, and then a validation check is performed. So if you want to insert a new record, clear statement must be used so that it can then be filled again and with the new data. Update statement. So if you want to update one or more existing records in a table at the same time, then use the update statement. Similar to insert statement, a work area is declared, filed with new data that is then put into the record as the program is executed. The record previously created with insert statement will be updated here. So just edit the text stored in the name and title field, and then on a new line the same structure for the insert statement is used, and this time by using the update statement. Data WA customer 1 like Z customer 1 W underscore customer 1 customer equal to 1006, and W underscore customer 1 name equal to some name, then W underscore customer 1 title Mr. W underscore customer date of birth, and update is customer 1 from W underscore customer 1. So as update statement gets executed, you can view the data browser in the ABAP dictionary to see that the record has been updated successfully. Then modify statement. Modify statement can be considered as a combination of insert and update statements, and it can be used to insert a new record or modify an existing record. And it follows a similar syntax to the previous two statements in modifying the record from data entered into the work area. And when this statement is executed, the key fields involved will be checked against those in the table, and if a record with these key fields values already exist, it will be updated. If not, then a new record will be created. So code snippet for creating a new record: clear W underscore customer 1, data W underscore customer 1 like Z customer 1, W underscore customer 1 customer equal to 1007, W underscore customer 1 name equal to Ralph, W underscore customer title equal to Mr. W underscore customer 1 DOB, and modify Z customer 1 W underscore customer 1. So in this example, clear statement is used so that a new entry can be put into the work area, and then customer number is added. Since this is a new unique key field value, the new record will be inserted and another validation check is executed. And when this is executed and the data is viewed in the data browser, a new record will have been created for the customer number 1007 Ralph. The code produces the output. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Open SQL. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.